this lesson, we're going to add a testimonial. Now, testimonials are really great because they build your brand. People trust you more when you have reputable people that leave testimonials on your website. So you can add that on here just like this. You can go to the image, choose something that you like, and you can change their names. Let's go back this way. So to the text, you can put in the person's name. I'm not sure what her name is, but she looks like a Natalie. Don't you think so? So designer, fashionista. Okay, so you can put whatever you want there. And for the text, you can put all text. This is just for SEO purposes. You can put something like woman smiling or something like that. And then you go back to the style for the testimonial. You can put it to the left. You can put it to the right. And you can change the colors as always, the name. You can also change the colors for the name. And you can change the position here. Let's go over to the position. You can change for that one too. And let's go to the image. You can have it like that. You can have it like this. You can have it like that. That should be a song. So you can have it to the bottom. You can have it to the top. You can have it any way that you want to have it. Okay. But as you can see, I'm having fun doing this. So let's go here and you can just feel free to, move it around. And there you have it.